Let's slow this down for a moment. If arguments have been draining you lately, at work, at home, or in your own mind, you're not failing at communication. You're just carrying conversations the hard way. The Socratic Method offers something gentler. It doesn't teach you how to win arguments. It teaches you how to step out of them with clarity and calm. Arguments create tension because they demand defense. The moment you defend, your body tightens. Your breathing shortens. Your nervous system goes on alert. Socrates understood this. Instead of pushing back, he slowed conversations down with questions. Questions invite reflection. Reflection lowers emotional heat. That's why this method still matters today. Question 1, what do you mean by that? When someone makes a strong claim, pause. Instead of responding, ask softly, what do you mean by that? This isn't confrontation, it's clarification. Most tension comes from unclear language. When meaning becomes clear, emotions often settle on their own. Question 2, how did you come to that conclusion? This question gently shifts the focus. You're no longer debating the belief, you're exploring the path that led there. Ask calmly, how did you come to that conclusion? Often, people realize they've never slowed down enough to answer it themselves. And in that pause, the argument softens. Question 3, what assumptions are we making? Arguments often rest on things that were never spoken. This question brings them into the open. What assumptions are we making here? Not to expose someone, but to understand the foundation beneath the disagreement. When assumptions are seen clearly, the emotional weight often lifts. Question 4, is there another way to see this? This question creates space. Ask gently, is there another way to see this? You're not asking them to change their mind. You're reminding both of you that perspective exists. Flexibility calms the mind. Rigidity fuels conflict. Question 5, what if we're both partly wrong? This is the most grounding question. What if we're both partly wrong? It removes the need for certainty. It removes the need for victory. And in that moment, conversation becomes human again. The Socratic Method isn't about control. It's about presence. When you ask questions instead of reacting, you protect your energy. You protect your calm. And most importantly, you stop carrying arguments that were never yours to win. If this brought even a small sense of calm, subscribe for a Daily Stoic Reset. You don't need louder words. You need steadier ones.